We're lang fun.
Next, mfana died inside.
Nah, no, Rimunati, man. Fun, I guess Spani fan.
The Spanish fellow.
So how many touches do you have? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah?
Maybe I can slightly adjust.
Yeah, Rishapa session, yeah, no.
This is our resistance. Where's our support?
That's dope. So what US did?
What party, man? What party, man? I'm on.
But I don't think we'll buy at that price.
This is my support.
Yeah?
Why? And 1, 2 touches.
Let me show you something, Thibaut. Check.
Even below we have reference. Number 1.
Webon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kibona fella. They who see nabo.
These are called nature key levels. Number 2, equally distribute.
Yeah, you know, it makes sense, but I want to show you what I'm looking at, no?
Like GT group.
You see more on an hour, ne? Check the head and shoulders that we have. Don't forget that on Trading View, they opened the 4-hour candlestick at 3:30. They didn't open it at 4, right?
Which platform is that? Mine opens at 4.
What are you using there? Trading View.
Yeah, Trading View, Sponsor Trading View. So I have 2 hours 55 seconds before this candlestick closes.
2 hours?
2 hours 55 seconds.
Of a 4-hour.
Yeah, you to Alakabo 7.
Okay, so now you see that it opened earlier than our normal candlesticks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it means when it comes to opening candlesticks, Trading View is forward than the platform we use, right?
Sure.
So, yeah. So it means as we are closing at 8, they are closing at 7. So
Sure.
we are 1 hour late, getting 4 hours candlesticks.
Sure.
Yeah, right. So you checking US30 done?
Yeah, key US state.
Because the first 10 that I saw, it was on this head and shoulder pattern, right?
What is that? 1 hour?
Yeah, this is 1 hour. Then on our 15 minutes, they used this order block. You see?
Yeah,
we won there. So they gave us previous resistance area. They broke in. They gave us a head and shoulder. Then they turned on the thing. They turned on that order block of a 15 minutes, right? So from the head to the neckline, then so I think let's see here. What do you think of gaps though yourself? What do you think of gaps?
What's in a coupon set Tibos Kibonang ne? Kauta mara checka something prakane. So Uboni Dahutis Nekubon now for our overall ne. And obviously right now we do have this left. So obviously if you trade patterns, you're gonna be looking at that left shoulder, the head and the shoulder right now, because the market established like a new low price and the previous H1 spiked on that level. And if you go to like smaller time frames, you'll see Horoke sharp. That level has been a strong level for like the past couple of hours. So we've had this buy here, the buy there, and again we are here now. So this could be a level and an area where we typically buy. So even if you go to the M5 or something like that, you are already seeing like some kind of exhaustion. So I'm just expecting that the market will obviously maybe battle spike kanyan and then bava. But right now I'm not looking at sells as yet. It may sell obviously for the longest time, but for now Nakibo is selling fun. Yeah, because wabona limo H1 limo H1 ine wabona ipalitsu ku break kae no wabona da H1 ya no irang.
Yeah, but Kaibona Lori it's rejecting the price,
So na the entry tsari na di demonstrate mo zonung la wabona. Yeah,
okay. Yeah,
then ka tsone ke tseni ka ijinda fela so.
Oh, then it means like you're safe if it's any that.
Ke float
Warren,
about
5
80
minutes.
points, you know.
Oh, but more 1 minute they gave you something like double bottom
Double
to gain more
bottom, one swap.
momentum on.
So that man wa namela, that man. At least
But
back to that zone, back to that
till
zone, and
what
then
price?
maybe, yeah.
Huh? Estimator o tla namela till what price? Do you think they
Wa
will
bona
break
nna ke
this?
ambitious ne for now. Ke tla re that same price that we had, no, wa bona. So that price here, maybe that's 32,000, 32,200. Yeah, about 32,200.
So you think they will break the resistance the head and shoulder pattern that we are coming from?
Agiri like nagi level let's see the head and shoulder a inverse. So I want. Yeah, they inverse head and shoulder.
Oh yeah, 4 hour.
We go near 4 hour, yeah. So
I saw
obviously the harder time frame, the stronger the person, you know what?
Yeah.
Nagi rejection la mo H1 fana ke tseni mo yona.
Okay, let's see it because I want a little more 4 hour. Do you see little we are from a 4 hour order block, and if like it's more powerful, you see, like this why what? Because we are from this what do you call this order block here 4 hour here. You see?
Three.
And like inside low now I wonder this is a head and shoulder pattern, right? Left. Then they gave us an order block. Then here it's the right shoulder. So I think like because if we are to drop, I think we're gonna come to this price because if you can check last week, that's where they opened with a gap here. They never closed it. So they're gonna use this gap to gain more momentum to come to the down price. So now the struggle that we have, right? It will be these candlestick pattern here because if you can check this is a bullish order block, right? If they can close the 1 hour candlesticks below this price, then they will have broken it. Yeah, because they are rejecting the order block I'm telling you about, right?
Mola re khutlela mo da order block ya hao ya modimo mole modimo I fitla da re tla bona ra thuba or not mara no ara float my boss no so
yeah but yeah Limo, check and check the insiders or they are break you now because if you can check we have an insider here what this price they rejected on it break pull back went down broke then here they broken it again. Just check if that movement is not a pullback to this price. Then if they are pulling back, then it's not safe. But if they broke in, then it's safe. Why check on the price that I'm talking about? Yeah. Let's just put a stop on the entry. Yeah, just put a stop on the entry. Just put a stop loss on the entry.